If PowerPoint is crashing with application error 0Xc0000005, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through 4 quick fixes you can try right now to get PowerPoint opening properly again. This error can happen because of permissions, broken add-ins, startup problems, or even antivirus interference, so we're going to troubleshoot it step by step in the easiest way possible. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Alright, let's jump in. First, try running PowerPoint as an administrator. This is a simple but effective first step because sometimes the app needs extra permission to open files correctly. Find the Microsoft PowerPoint icon on your desktop, in your Start menu, or on your taskbar. Right-click the icon, then click Run as Administrator. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes. Once PowerPoint opens, try loading your presentation again and see if the error still appears. If the problem was caused by a permissions issue, this may fix it immediately. If PowerPoint still isn't working, the next step is to disable add-ins. Add-ins are useful, but they can sometimes conflict with PowerPoint and cause crashes or application errors. Open PowerPoint, then click File and go to Options. In the PowerPoint Options window, select Add-ins from the left panel. At the bottom of the screen, look for the Manage box and choose COM add-ins, then click Go. You'll now see a list of installed add-ins. Uncheck all of them for now, then click OK. After that, close PowerPoint completely and reopen it. Try opening your file again and check whether the error is gone. If PowerPoint starts normally after this, one of the add-ins was likely causing the problem. Now let's try opening PowerPoint in Safe Mode. Safe Mode starts PowerPoint with minimal features, which is helpful for identifying whether the issue is caused by startup settings or extensions. Press Windows and R on your keyboard at the same time to open the Run box. Type powerpnt/safe, then press Enter. PowerPoint should launch in Safe Mode. Once it opens, try opening your presentation from there. If it works in Safe Mode, that tells you the normal startup environment may be the cause of the error. From there, you can keep narrowing down the issue by checking add-ins or other startup-related settings. If the error is still happening, the final fix to try is temporarily disabling your antivirus. Sometimes security software can mistakenly block PowerPoint or interfere with the file as it loads. Open your antivirus program or open Windows Security if that's what you use. Turn off real-time protection or disable the antivirus temporarily, just long enough to test PowerPoint. Then open PowerPoint again and see if the application error disappears. If it does, your security software is likely the cause. Make sure to turn your antivirus protection back on right after testing so your computer stays protected. So, to recap, the best ways to fix PowerPoint application error 0Xc0000005 are: run PowerPoint as administrator, disable add-ins, open PowerPoint in safe mode, and temporarily disable antivirus to test for interference. One of these steps usually solves the issue and gets PowerPoint working again without needing anything complicated. If this video helped you fix the problem, please give it a like and subscribe for more step-by-step computer troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.